Hello student, my name is Mariam Jawadwala, Assistant Professor working for Department of Information and Technologies, Vidyavardhani's College of Engineering and Technology. In today's video lecture, I am going to explain you Python data types. Let's move ahead. So before explaining Python data types, I would like to highlight some of the point regarding Python program. The first one is comments in Python. We are having two types of comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. And the second important thing, how Python sees variable. So in comments are non-executable statement. It means neither the Python compiler nor the PVM will execute them. Comments are for the purpose of understanding the human being and not for the compiler or PVM. Hence, they are known as non-executable statements. So we are having two types of Python in two types of comments in Python, that is single line comments and multi-line comments. So single line comments for single line and hash symbol is used for this. And multi-line comments, if you want to write multiple line comments, then you can write it using multi-line comments. The syntax for writing is triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Now next very important point regarding Python is variable in Python. So what happened in other programming language like C and Java, the concept of variable is connected to memory location. In all languages, a variable is imagined as a storage box which can store some value. Suppose we write a statement a equals to 1. So what happened? The memory location is allocated with the name a and the value is 1. Means some memory is allocated to the variable a and the value of that memory location is 1. Right? And if you want to change the value, say I write instead of a is equals to 1, I write here a is equals to 2. So what happened in the same memory location a, at the same address a, the value of 1 is overwrite with 2. This is the concept applied to any other programming language, right? So when we assign one variable to another variable, like I write int b equals to a, I am copying the value of a with b. So what happened in other language like C and Java, two different memory location is created for the same value 2, a and b. The memory address of a and b is different and the value is same. Okay. Now in Python, a variable is seen as a tag or name that is tied to some value. For example, the statement a equals to 1 means the value 1 is created first in memory and the tag by the value a is created shown in the value here. Okay, and if you assign some other value, then a is refers to 2 and 1 is unreferenced, means it is removed by the garbage collector, right? And see, I write b equals to a means uh, value 2 remains same and 2 is referred by two tag name, two different tag name. So conclusion is Python is using memory efficiently. Same object can be referred by multiple tag names, right? So demo program for variable in Python will be shown in program 1.py. Okay, so I will show you the demo how the variable in Python sees, right? So as you all know, I think Python is already installed on your system, right? And here I'm writing program using simple notepad editor, right? So I'm moving to the folder where my all the programs are stored, right? Cd Python, and then I'm write cd SDP, right? And here the name of the program is 1.py, right? So before that, I will show you what is the content of 1.py, right? So file, open, and then In Python folder, SDP folder, the name of the program is 1.py. Open this file, right? So this is a simple Python variable program. I assign a equals to 5 and print id a. So id function is going to use to print the address of a memory location a, right? And print a, right? So the first print statement will print the address of a, and second print statement will print the value of a, right? Like here I'm write b is equals to 5, print id b and print b, means again it will print the value and address of b, right? And after that I assign b is equals to 6, print id b and print id b. So what happened in other programming language, a equals to 5, b equals to 5, means the value is same. Then what happened, the here address will be differ but value is the same. But in the Python the memory location will be same because they are point to the same object 5, right? And the value is again same, that is 5. Let's run this program here. See, here the address of a and b are same and the value is again same because they are referring the same object. The same object phi is referred by two tag name a and b, and so their address remains same, right? And here I am writing b equals to c, means b refer to some other object. So what happened, the address of b will now be changed, it point to the other object c. So this is the id b, the address of object 6, right? So here the address is different. Okay, so hope you understand how the variable in Python will be seen, right? So here I am going to stop my presentation.